I will show you how to participate in Binance Web3 airdrop. And on Binance, there is this new process. You'll be able to do some tasks and get airdrop. And right here on your Binance dashboard, right here, come to this more option. And right here, you'll find this Web3 airdrop and press this airdrop. There is this Web3 wallet on Binance. And if you don't know about that, you can just comment in comment section that you don't know about this Web3. I'm going to make a separate video on that. And right here, when you come to this airdrop zone, you will find this Polyhedra token that is going to end in 28 days and it complete. Right here, there is a lot of people have already participated in this event, and 34,000 people have already participated to get this 1 million of this token network. And right here, this is the 1 million of this token network airdrop. You just need to complete this mission in your Binance Web3 wallet for share of this reward. And right here, this is you just have to press this to get started. You have to join, and right here you were asked to transfer any amount of token, any amount of BNB, USDT or Ethereum tokens between any two network on this ZK bridge. And right here, if you just have to do these two tasks, you just have to press transact now, or you want to do this second, transfer any NFT between any two network on ZK bridge. So you can just press this transfer right now, and you have to connect your wallet. I already have a wallet, and you can just transact any token between two chains. And you have to go back again. I will cancel this and go back again and press this. Once you press this, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to switch and bridge this NFT into different network and cancel this again. And that's all you need to do. And after you do all these tasks to verify your status of your tax, maybe you have already passed this process, just press verify, and it's going to take a lot of maybe few minutes for you to verify your tax status. And once this has been marked that you have successfully participated in this program or in this mission, I just have to wait. And let me show you the previous airdrop that this is being done on this token, and this is the one that just finished maybe yesterday or 2 days ago. And right here, I participate in this event. The activities has already ended, and thank you to everyone who took part. And this, if I want to check my reward, it's going to bring me here, and the reward will be distributed within 2 weeks after the activity concludes. So I am eligible to receive share of this 20,000 of this WOO, and they just split this in they split this in 5 events, and you just have to participate in this. The other one is 2 events. I think maybe they were just going to be 500,000 token or 500,000 token for the event that is ongoing right now. But in this, I try to participate in this 3 pool right here, and I'm able to receive 20,000 worth in dollar of this token, and that's what I'm going to be receiving. I'm going to share in this price. I will just need to wait for this distribution of this token and come over here to see the amount of token I will be receiving, and if it's worth it doing this. You can still participate in this event right here, and if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell, and let me know what you find interesting, and I will be glad to check it out and make a video about that. So I'm going to see you on the next video.